Yes, you had to say something, Mr.
Yes,
Ghosh.
my lord.
Yes.
In the yesterday, my lord, I indicated the bills as well.
Yes.
My lord, if your lordship is pleased to turn to the bills, what is interesting is this, my lord, the order on the 12th of September,
Right.
and the bills were received by the official liquidator after, my lord, the order was passed.
12th September, what order did they pass?
Your lordship was pleased to direct the official liquidator to produce the bills apropos the 9 lakhs that they have claimed on account of security charge. If your lordship is pleased to look at the bills,
Yes.
page 6 on the top, received 13th September 24, and the stamp on the right hand side of the official liquidator is also on the 13th of September, following a serial number running from serial number 35 up to 52, all serially on the same day after your lordship called upon them to produce the bills. And my lord, we have conducted a physical verification. The premises from which these bills have been issued, 260/8 Porno Street Extension. I have photographs to show. It's a residential premises. Absolutely, my lord, there is no existence of this entity. That is not there on affidavit, my lord.
No, there was photographs of
Photographs of the premises in Dankuni. I have annexed.
yes.
After I've received the bills yesterday, my lord, we have sent somebody to carry out a physical verification. I have not put it on affidavit. Your lordship can take it from me. I have photographs to show that.
Photographs show that there is no security. There's a jungle there.
There is only a building. It's a residential premises.
No. What was these? What were these photographs then?
Those photographs are of the premises at Dankuni, where there are no security personnel available.
Yes, and what are now you are submitting now regarding which property?
Regarding the property from which the alleged bills of the security agency has been issued.
Oh, the security agency's address.
Yes.
Where I was dispossessed by the special officer by the official liquidator, of which I seek his claim. Is actually my property.
That is the Dankuni property.
No, that is a different property.
That is not the point. My lord, we are on
property is a jungle now. So
yes. So the property at 260/8 Porno Street.
This is a residence. No, they can run their business from a residence. But there is a different violation then, but you cannot castigate the security agency in this proceeding.
No, but I am just indicating, it is
maybe a residential premise.
Surprising because there are other addresses.
This will be overkill.
Yes. These are my respectful summaries.
So anyway, you say that they have given a Park Circus address somewhere.
Yes, my lord, that's available on the internet. It is not there. I've checked up.
No, has the official liquidator or
no, official liquidator has not.
Park Circus address is not disclosed anywhere.
This is all that we have conducted our own research and found out.
No, there is no active security services at Porno Street Extension.
No.
This address.
No.
Yes. What do you say?
These are my responses.
Why shouldn't I direct an inquiry by the central government under the provisions of the Act, Companies Act, against the official liquidator? Is he present in court?
Lordship, the assistant official liquidator.
No, he's not the official liquidator. Where is he, the official liquidator? He's not in Kolkata?
He is in Kolkata.
Why is he not present today in court?
Yesterday he was not well. I won't have to. Can he come?
Today he may be worse.
Lordship,
No, why shouldn't I direct an inquiry? Please satisfy me on that first.
Lordship,
Under the Companies Act, why shouldn't I refer the matter to the central government, which is the authority to conduct an inquiry?
Lordship, let me submit one after the other regarding the issues
Yes.
that have been raised. First of all, regarding the overlapping of bills, because whatever the answers which are answerable by the official liquidator, let me address first your lordship before your lordship, because that will be better for me and it will be easier for me, your lordship. Regarding
If all of these are answerable by the official liquidator, let there be no mistake on that.
Lordship, regarding the address and regarding the
you appointed the security agency which does not operate from the address which has been given in the bill.
The official, the security guards has to be implemented as a party, because the point is this, that the security guards are appointed by the DIN to the
security guards will be the witnesses in the inquiry. Why should they be implicated? How are they responsible?
Because if the address,
there are no security guards.
There are no security guards.
There's a jungle there, ma'am.
Lordship, this regarding the whether there's a security guard or not, this inspection, spot inspection that they have done few days back. Now, how far the authenticity, veracity of this inspection is also required to be ascertained, because they suddenly went, and what was the position? No,
I'll direct you to file an affidavit regarding that. You deny it?
Lordship, this is number one. Number two, your lordship, my humble submission is that regarding first of all, regarding the presence of the security, your lordship, we get the bills. The situation is like this, your lordship, that once the direction is passed for appointment of security guards, we appoint the security guards, and they raise the bills for the respective periods they are on duty. But the difficulty is that we sometimes go for the surprise visit, but There is no particular person or appointed who will inspect that the security guards are all along there or not. This is the practical predicament, Your Lordship. Now, what they are submitting before Your Lordship on particular dates, they went and they saw the security guards are not there. The veracity of the statement is also required to be ascertained, because at that point of time, nobody, because special officer was never appointed and nobody was there to ascertain either our submissions, not their submissions, Your Lordship. These photographs have been taken on some particular dates. What was the situation at the particular days? Nobody knows, Your Lordship. So this veracity of the submission that has fallen
I'll send a special officer, junior member of the bar today.
as far as a surprise visit, Your Lordship. Because not now, because the difficulty is there's a lot.
Not now, 50 minutes after this.
Because the difficulty is like this, Your Lordship. It's a practical predicament, Lordship. Even if I admit with that,
Today I have 3:30, so after that.
even if I admit that the security guards are not there, the veracity of the submissions of both the parties are required to be ascertained, Your Lordship. Because
If you admit there are no security guards, where is the question of veracity?
no security guards, but if their submissions are required to be,
Have you looked into the photographs which they have annexed? That's supported by an affidavit.
Lordship, affidavits are there, photographs are there.
Photograph,
What
right.
was the position? What was the
Photograph.
situation at that point of time? Nobody can know. That submission on my part, Your Lordship, without perusing the entire situation at that.
You have seen the supplementary affidavit.
Lordship, there are colored photographs. I've got the black and white, but I have seen those photographs, Your Lordship.
The color photograph will be more convincing.
Your
No,
Lordship.
You have served color photographs.
No, that
Look into that.
I have seen. But this
This is the property which you are guarding.
Lordship. What are the dates, Your Lordship? This is at the time when, what are the bills we are raising and what are the dates they have got for the, went for the inspection, Lordship. The bills that we are raising,
Whatever.
the bills
Yes.
that we are raising is from March 2023, since August 2024. Now here, the inspection that has been made, the surprise visit of the spot inspection that has been made, that has been indicated in this affidavit, Your Lordship, the dates has also been clearly stated. That is the 13th, 14th and 15th of 2024. So the veracity, how come this, when if it has to be ascertained, it has to be ascertained long back. The applicant who has filed an application for disclaimer, they also ought to have come up with this.
You have charged security bills till current date.
Till August and the September part, 17th.
This property was being secured till August. This jungle grew overnight, within a month. This jungle grew within a month.
Lordship, that is the
Grow a
boundary.
jungle and show it to me
Lordship,
within a
that's
month.
the boundary, but the point is that, Lordship, personally, I have not been there. But the point
Just even not there. Why should you be there?
is, Your Lordship, since it's the boundary, the outside the boundary that have instructed the security guards do remain. But what is the position? Because the dates that they have mentioned in the affidavit, it's after Your Lordship passed that order on 12th. This is on Kaito.
So do you say there were security guards posted there or not?
Lordship,
I'm not interested in evasive things.
Lordship, according
Whether
to
they were security guards or not.
our submission,
You are
security-
charging to your security guard is charging till current date. You never took the trouble of going there once even.
Lordship, sometimes
If this is the condition of that property, how can they charge current bills?
Lordship, that is this is the property, the boundary wall, Your Lordship, is surrounding the property. The property where the jungle is, that is not the exact property. It is the outside the boundary wall. This is the boundary wall, Your Lordship.
This is supposed to be the gate.
No, gate is this one. This one is the gate.
Which page?
This is pagination is not there.
Which photograph? First or second or third?
Second one, as I presume, Your Lordship, I think this is the gate.
Yes.
And the jungle is around the property. Jungle is the property where the jungle is. That is not the property.
Achha, let us come to the next question.
This is
What about the overlap?
there is no overlap, because Your Lordship,
Hmm.
if my Lord peruses the affidavit of 21st August, there we have given the detailed two calculations are to be taken side by side. First, the affidavit that we have submitted yesterday, Your Lordship, and the affidavit that we have submitted on 21st of August. So in 21st of August,
8th of August 1.
21st of August,
Well, it's 21st.
21st of August.
21st August কোনটা? এই 21st August অ্যাফার্ম ছিল কোন? একটা তো দেখছি আমি এখানে, এটা তো 8th of August দেখি আমি। ও হ্যাঁ এটাই তো। Yes,
Regarding 21st of August,
21st of August.
21st of August. Lordship, if my Lord comes to paragraph 12, page 6, there, Your Lordship, my Lord will find that I'm permitted to go to the paragraph itself. I say that the official liquidator has filed a status report on 6 February 2023, stating the fund position as rupees 81,000 and odd. Further, on 2nd May 2024, the official liquidator High Court Calcutta filed a status report in compliance of the order dated 23rd April, regarding the fund position of 4,000 and all. It appears from the ledger in between the period of 6th February 2023 to 23rd April 2024, the following entries are there. Subsequently, the entries have been indicated, Your Lordship, and here also the security expenses that has been indicated, it is to be the 58,000.
What is the closing date?
Lordship, I'm not coming on the closing date. What I'm on is the next paragraph, Your Lordship. We might not come to the
No,
next
no.
paragraph.
Please read out the closing date here.
Closing date is the 23rd of April. That is true. That is correct.
So if the closing date is that of 23rd of April, then this security expenses must cover that period, the period
No, Your
before.
Lordship. This expenses, Lordship, the next paragraph, Your Lordship, it has been indicated that it is for the month, paragraph 13 itself, that the official liquidator has deputed the empaneled security agency with 4 security guards on 25th January 2023, active security services, such and such, that is the address, to keep strict vigil over the assets. The said security agency has raised 2 security bills dated 31st March 2023 with effect from 21st of January 2023 for the month of January and February. So this 58,000 is for the January and February. Closing balance has been taken for the month of till April, but the security expenses has been taken for the month of January and February. The rest of the calculations, Your Lordship, my lord will...
No, I don't understand. Let us proceed one by one. I don't understand this. The said security agency has raised 2 security bills.
Right, for January and February.
So why did you put the security expenses of 58,000 something under that head? That is between the period 6th of February 2023 till 23rd of April.
So here, Your Lordship, 58,000 has been given. Now, my lord comes to the affidavit that we have submitted.
No, this is covered by 58,643.
This 23rd April. Within 20.
The first chart includes the period between 6th of February 2023 till 23rd of April 2024. So this para 13 statement is also covered by that 6050. So this is redundant. This is extra.
Now that we have indicated the period, because here they ought to have written that, but that has not been written. The period has not been written in the column. That is the reason, by making a separate paragraph, they have stated for January and February the bills for the security.
No, the same expenses, because this covered the period up to 23rd of April 2024. But you again raised a bill in the next affidavit, March 2023 to August 2024. That is a double billing.
March 2023.
Please come to page 3 of the other affidavit containing the bills, the last one.
2 of the second affidavit that we have filed yesterday.
Yes, page 2.
Page 2. There, Your Lordship, my lord will find that there is a balance. This is the balance, Your Lordship. Here, if my lord follows the entire balance, the opening balance on 6th February 2023 was 85,000. Thereafter, Your Lordship, these are the expenses that we have gathered till 2nd of February 2023. That comes to 81,000.
This opening, how come this opening balance differs from the opening balance in the previous affidavit?
Opening balance doesn't differ?
Yes, opening balance as on 6th of February.
Kindly come to the...
Read out the figures.
That is, yes.
Para 12 versus this.
Yes, that is matching, Your Lordship. Because, Your Lordship, this is 81,000. If paragraph 12, if we come, the opening balance is 81,000. Then it comes to just below. Total balance is 85,000, Your Lordship. This is 4,000 is the 30% income that is coming up out of the interest. So this is 85,000. This 85,000 is coming here. We have straight away come here from to 85,000. Subsequently, Your Lordship, the entire expenses till 6th February, we have indicated 18,000. TDS 58,000, 145.
Yes, this is a repetition of this para 12.
We have repeated. We have overlap. We have repeated to make this entire thing to understand. My lord, kindly submit. This is 81,000. So when we have deducted 81,
then again the next chart. What is the next chart about?
If we deduct 81,000 from 81,000, then it comes to 4,239. So that's 4,239. My lord will match with the closing balance of 23rd of April 2024.
Yes, this is a repetition of that I told you.
That we have to keep the parity, Your Lordship, that we have indicated.
And you have only added the tax deduction at source.
So that is 2,274. That was
very resourceful of the official. This was not there in the previous
There,
where is that?
In the paragraph 12 itself, Your Lordship, we have indicated that is the reason since the balance has fallen.
This was not a part of the chart. The chart ended at closing balance as on 23rd of April.
Yes, because Your Lordship, 23rd of April, that concluded. Subsequently, Your Lordship, my lord has been pleased to, on 2nd May, Your Lordship, there was a direction upon the official liquidator to file a press status report. Why the fund position has fallen?
This was after 2nd May. This is also 21st of August.
This is 21st of August.
What is this, ma'am? Don't do like this. Don't flutter in court. You're not a butterfly.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
Please stop doing this to court. Yes.
Now, this is this 21st of August affidavit, paragraph 12.
That is after 2nd of May.
Absolutely. But that has been indicated in this paragraph that since until before 21st of May, the fund position has fallen. On 21st May, there was a direction to file a separate subsequent.
Please explain why these two charts in the second yesterday's affidavit. I'm not interested and I'll not be bothered by the 21st August. Please explain why there are two statements of expenses. Page 2 and page 3.
Is the expenses that is the expenses till that is the expenses that is till 8th of July 2024, because 8th of July 2024 the chart that we have given in 21st August, that chart only we have indicated it here. That is simply a repeat.
Why do you include the amount from March 2023 till 8th of July in the next chart also? Why is there a double charging?
Double charge.
Please come to the second chart.
Chief, I'm coming.
What are you saying, ma'am? Can't you see there are two? There is an overlap. Please see page 2 first. There's a limit to everything. Page 2 shows the security expenses already incurred to be 58,643.
Already
Now
incurred.
here you have added very skillfully this January 23 and February 23. That was not there in the previous day. On the previous day, the entire security expenses was shown as 58,643. Now in this chart, you have added that this was only for January and February.
Lordship, that is
Why do you change this? You have not changed. Please look at this. I changed. Let's look at that. You're an advocate and officer of the court. Shit. Look at that.
Lordship,
Look at the chart. Stop your big mouth. Look at that. And look at this. Data. Better be lying before the court. Don't defend to an extent, ma'am. There's a limit to everything. Don't lie before the court. I'll haul you up for 340. You have added January and February 2023 for the same amount. On the previous day, 21st of August, the entire security expenses was depicted at 58,000 something. In the second day, yesterday's, you have shown the same amount for the same period, but you have added January and February only. If you don't understand, Mr. Ghosh will make you understand. Mr. Ghosh, please make her understand. She's so naive. Please just look into that 21st of August, that chart, and the chart she filed yesterday.
Security expense 586.
She has added January and February, as if that 58,000 was only for January and February.
He's not willing to understand,
Yeah,
or I
Lordship,
cannot
follow
force her
that.
to